Good morning, students. Welcome you all. In the previous video, we discussed about the agro-based industry, and today we'll talk about mineral-based industries. Both industries as the section of raw material, according to that we are discussing. Mineral-based industries, examples, iron and steel industry, aluminum smelting, chemical industries, fertilizer industry, cement industry, automobile industries, information technology and electronic industries. So we are going to discuss about these industries. First we'll talk about iron and steel industries. Children, iron and steel industry, let's talk about it. And I want that with this you people should have to learn also. This industry is basic industry because what happens, it provides raw material to many other industries. Like when from iron ore, the iron when it is made in the iron industry, these iron is useful to make different machines, tools, for transport, for any construction materials. So this is these industry, iron and steel industry is also called as basic industry. Okay, it is also called heavy industry because raw material of iron ore, coal, limestone, these are quite bulky in nature. Most of these steel plants are located where? Chota Nagpur region. Today's steel industry in India are facing many problems. What are the problems? High cost of production, limited availability of making coal. As a fuel, it is very less. Low productivity of labor, irregular supply of energy, raw materials are found only in certain pockets of India. So where our manufacturing industries are not getting raw material properly, so how they will go for the further process? Poor infrastructure like transport and communication, somewhere it is failed. So here the government is trying to solve these all the problems where these especially iron and steel industries is facing. Why is the iron and steel industry located in the peninsula India only? Why? We are talking about 5 mark question answer. Because good and more raw materials are available. Large quantity of quality. Now peninsula, if you'll remember, peninsula is a very good source for raw material of minerals. So here we are able to get it. Why it is there at the place of peninsula. Power resources, coal, oil, water power are available here in the peninsula India only. Cheap labors, they are able to get it from the place of Bihar, Orissa, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh. Skilled also is available, both the skilled and unskilled. Nearness to market, large indigenous markets are available here in the peninsula. This was intentionally set up because peninsula, which provides the peninsula region, provides the raw material of minerals. So here these industries are mostly set up in this region. Port facilities are available for the export of iron and steel manufacturing industries. So this is what the reason why it is set up in the peninsula. The map questions will let you where the iron and steel plants are there. 1 mark question answers is also asked. Map question is also there. We'll discuss about the map questions in detail. The process of smelting, you are able to see how they are smelting it. How it is useful for, as it is called as a basic industry. So other industries, how they are using their resources. See the process of smelting and all. Next we'll talk about aluminium smelting. Aluminium smelting is the second most important metallurgical industry in India. It is light, resistant to corrosion, a good conductor of heat, malleable and becomes strong when it is mixed with the other metal. So when it is mixed with the other metal, it is more effective and useful. Mostly used in electronical systems. It is used to manufacture aircraft, utensils, wires. It gains the popularity as substitute of steel, copper, zinc and lead in a number of industries. Required a lot. Aluminium is also in demand. Aluminium smelting plant we are able to see Odisha, West Bengal, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. Again I am letting the same thing, peninsula region nearby. If I to go with the produce, it's near about 15.29 lakh. I mean, it is near, I'm talking about 8 and 9. If your updated textbook is there, you will get it more. Bauxite, the raw material used in the smelter, is very bulky, dark reddish color rock. Regular supply to the electricity and an ensured source of raw material at minimum cost. Two prime factors, the locations. So this is very important to know about the aluminium, which is very useful. It's what I told you, second important metal. So just go with this detail and make your short answer. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please let me through the WhatsApp.